How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make ground plane in KiCad. So it's extremely simple to do this. Basically, in some other cases, it's going to be the field zone, but in my case, I have the draw rules area option in here. Now, of course, you want to click on this option, and then basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the point where you want to start adding it. In my case, I'm going to be doing it this way. And of course, you have the ability to edit out your area name. You have your layers right here. And basically, you have many more options to simply choose from. But in my case, I'm basically good with this one. Now, let's click on OK. And then, of course, you could map out the polygon the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be doing it this way. And after closing it off, you successfully made a ground plane in KiCad. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.